members of the media.
It's our first time seeing you since the election results. What was your interest in the Wisconsin Supreme Court race, and what did you make of the result there?
Yeah, great to see you, Mark. I know you moved across the river, and we want you back, and we're glad you're back. First of all, the Wisconsin Supreme Court race was a critically important race. There were election deniers that have been running for offices all over Wisconsin. You know, it's a swing state. It's an important state in the general election. In next year's presidential election, there were moves to invalidate electors in Wisconsin 3 years ago, sorry. And so having a Supreme Court made up of rational, non-extremist people who will simply evaluate the law and do the right thing, very, very important to all of us across the nation. In addition to that, it happens that one of the candidates was a severely anti-choice candidate, somebody who wanted to abide by an 1800s law in Wisconsin that should have been, frankly, not part of the discussion, but that would have literally made women second-class citizens in the state of Wisconsin. And one of the candidates was pro-choice and wanted to make sure that we were upholding the equal rights of women in Wisconsin. So, to me, that's an important race. I've supported Democrats all across the country. She was a Democrat, and I was glad to be one of the leading supporters of her race. And she won, by the way, in literally an overwhelming victory of 11 points.